Conventions on cruise ships as a deductible business travel expense, according to the IRS. As we discussed in a prior YouTube video, business and trade conventions are exceedingly important to advancing one's career and developing a commercial business, such that attending these events can be incredibly significant from a professional standpoint. Now, attending a convention, seminar, or similar meeting on a cruise ship or other waterborne vessel can be particularly exciting. Nevertheless, there are additional rules established by the Internal Revenue Service that the taxpayer must be aware of as it relates to the deductibility of costs in relation to tax liability. First off, the taxpayer can deduct up to a maximum of $2,000 per year for expenses tied to attending conventions, seminars, or similar meetings held on cruise ships, noting that all ships that sail are considered cruise ships. Furthermore, the deductibility of expenses is only available where all of the following requirements are met. 1. The convention, seminar, or meeting is directly related to the active conduct of the taxpayer, attendees, trade, or business. 2. The cruise ship is a vessel registered in the United States. 3. All the cruise ships' ports of call are in the United States or in territories of the United States. 4. The taxpayer attaches to their income tax return a written statement signed by the taxpayer that includes information about A. The total days of the trip, not including the days of transportation to and from the cruise ship port. B. The number of hours each day that the attendee devoted to scheduled business activities. And C. A program of the scheduled business activities of the meeting. 5. The taxpayer attaches to their income tax return a written statement signed by an officer of the organization or group sponsoring the meeting that includes A. A schedule of the business activities of each day of the meeting, and B. The number of hours the attendee attended the scheduled business activities. These are the critical considerations as put forward by the Internal Revenue Service when it comes to seeking the deduction of costs as it relates to the attendance of conventions, seminars, and similar meetings on cruise ships that are specifically tied to one's trade or business. With further information available on our YouTube video on the deductibility of costs for attending trade and business conventions in general, with the link to that video contained in the description below. Thank you.